Good evening, everyone. Welcome to closing comments here for June 11th. Let's jump right into our charts and see what happened in these markets today. First up, we had our August live cattle on the board. We did see a little bit more upside here for this live cattle market today. Prices briefly poking above those prior day highs, getting a little bit of traction here, back above our major averages. But here we still remain inside this 235 to 245 range. Over the last 3 or 4 weeks here, we have seen plenty of resistance up here between 245 and 244, and we'll have to wait and see how this market finishes out the week tomorrow. We still anticipate some selling pressure up here. A lot of these sellers are still active here at this prior supply zone, keeping market capped here over the last couple of weeks. Wouldn't be surprised to see a little pushback off of that area, but the bulls need to get a nice strong push and finish this week back above 245 and a quarter, and that could give them the green light as we go into next week and get that rally back underway. Look for this mid 240s area, 244 to 45, to be a battleground tomorrow. Have to wait and see what kind of action we get there, but a close above this area should open the door to some upside. If we do get another weak close, kind of like we saw here in the last couple weeks, expect to see another retest at 237 and to see this market stay range bound here between 235 and 245. Bulls need to see a nice strong push. How this week closes up is going to be indicative of what we're going to see next week. So Bulls need to get a nice strong push up through there. Bears are going to try and battle it out here. We'll have to wait and see how this week closes up, but should set us up nicely for some good opportunities into next week. Next up, here are August feeders on the board. A little bit more strength here in this feeder market today, getting a nice strong close above those prior week's highs, finishing the day above our bull pivot and that 50-day moving average. Good signs of life here from this feeder market. We still have a little bit of resistance to be expected here all the way up towards 365, but this market is making the necessary steps to get back out of here. We need to see more traction back above these averages and see a good weekly close back up in the 360s, and that'd give the bulls some life here as we head into next week and try and get this little breakdown we've seen in the last month or two to correct and head back towards those highs. So bulls need to keep this market propped up here above 360 and keep these averages below them. And bears want to see this thing try and finish back down here in this range we've been in for the last couple weeks to signal some more downside. But bulls are looking like they got a chance here to take this thing higher into the weekend, and we need to see them finish this week out on a strong note to keep that momentum into next week. Next up, we had July corn futures on the board. Big breakdown here today. Heavy volume selling pressure. Good selling pressure down there below these prior day lows. We had a couple of days in a row here where we retested 4 1/4. Not really able to get much of a relief rally going. Sellers have just been too strong here for this corn market at the moment, pushing into some new contract lows at 410 and a half today. Look for that downside to continue here into the weekend for this corn market. Next up, crude prices seeing some downside here today, rejecting off those major averages from below. We continue to see these descending highs here. Good pressure being put down here on $85. We should see these bears try and keep weighing heavy on this area here as we go into the weekend. Look for those sellers to keep on pushing down here through the 80s and back down into the 70s. Looking like this crude market's getting ready to roll over here, and we should see some more downside as we head into next week. And next up, our equity market seeing a nice snapback rally today. Prices opening up back down there near those 50-day moving averages. Seeing good support here across each of these indexes, snapping right back to those prior day highs. Looking like this dip is being bought up. Continue to look for some good deals out there, but this dip is going to be a good buying opportunity. Bulls are going to probably try and take this thing higher into the weekend, get a nice strong close as we head into next week. So at the moment, this is just a nice little pullback we've seen over the last couple days, seen some wide ranges and whatnot, but offering some good dip buying opportunities, and we should see this market continue to rally out of here and keep this uptrend intact as we head into summer. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in this week. We will catch you over the weekend for our weekend market watch. Thank you and have a good night.